From the lives of great leaders. First, we are going to see about Mahatma Gandhi. We all know Mahatma Gandhi was a great patriotic Indian, if not the greatest. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence is probably his most important contribution. This philosophy of non-violence is known as Ahimsa, we all know that. Also, secularism is yet another contribution of Gandhi. So, Mahatma Gandhi has influenced many international leaders as well around the world. His struggle certainly became an inspiration for leaders such as we can say Martin Luther King Jr., James Lawson. Gandhi influenced Nelson Mandela for his freedom struggle as well. So first we are going to see about Mahatma Gandhi. So Gandhi's lessons. First is Satyamev Jayate, truth always trumps. Next his famous quote is an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. Third one, forgiveness is a trait of the strong, not the weak. Swachh Bharat we all know, cleanliness is next to goodliness. This is his main motive. And perseverance, we also can include perseverance along with that. That is never give up unless the goal is achieved. And the next one is the mind is stronger than the body. Gandhiji said physical endurance is important, but mental strength is crucial. So this is very important in regarding to this statement. The mind is stronger than body. And believe in love in sense should love and respect every individuals, and we should not form any biases based on her or his own background. So believe in love. And next is think before you act, as our actions in the present determine the future, so we should act accordingly in the present. And we also know non-violence, ahimsa. And finally we can also include be positive, like a positive attribute towards life is the key to achieve goals. These are the lessons we learn from Gandhi. And be true to yourself, that means we can say that stand up for what is right and what you believe in, even if it displeases a few people. So be true to yourself. So these are the life lessons we learn from her leader Mahatma Gandhi. Next, the great leader in the list of great leaders is Abraham Lincoln. So Abraham Lincoln's lessons were, let's see some famous quotes given by him. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, I will spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe. The lesson learned from this quote is that he says before you succeed, you must prepare. So this is the life lesson, first life lesson that we learned from Lincoln. So prepare for success. Second one, things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. From this we can say you cannot stroll to a goal, you must hustle. Second lesson that we learned from Lincoln. The third one is that some achieve great success is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. So don't make excuses. If someone else can do it, so can you. So this is one of the third life lesson we learned from Lincoln. Fourth one is become worthy of a good reputation. You should have a good reputation. That's what Lincoln says. And fifth one is make the years count. So ability to make a profound impact on this world. So this is the fifth lesson that we learned from Lincoln. And final is see the brighter side of things. You can complain because, quote his famous quote, you can complain because rose bushes have thorns, or rejoice because thorn bushes have roses. So from this quote we can say see the brighter side of things. So these are the most beautiful lessons that we learned from Lincoln. Next, Martin Luther King Jr. So Martin Luther King dreamt that all inhabitants of the United States would be judged by their personal qualities and not by the color of their skin. Adhere to Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence. Even in 1955, he began his struggle to persuade the US government to declare the policy of racial discrimination in the southern states unlawful. He took many influence from Gandhi. Luther is linked with Lincoln as well. Example, in 1963 there are around 250,000 demonstrators marched to the Lincoln Memorial in Washington. It's there in Washington, where King gave his famous speech, I have a dream. So with great personality and great leadership, what lessons we learn from Luther? So first one is knowing what's possible comes from asking why not. Every problem as a possible solution for that. So this is first lesson we learn from Luther's life. The second one is change is consistent. So change is consistent means it's your reaction that matters. How you react is the way you solve the problem. So this is the second lesson we learn from Luther's. And third one is something in your way. Sometimes you have to go around instead of through. So this quote may sound simple, but it is very powerful when we just see it through. Because even when we are good and we go through some particular path, there are some people or there are some situations which are very bad, and we don't need to acknowledge them or just struggle with them or fight with them. We just have to go through it instead of through. So this is very important lesson we learned from Martin Luther King Jr. And fourth one is setbacks. Will you stop or move forward? Life will give us many problems and many setbacks, so we should not stop anywhere and we should try to solve it and move forward. So this is the fourth lesson we learned from Martin Luther King Jr. And fifth one is man is an island. That means you should have friends. You can't just live alone and live your life. You should have friends. So that's what he's conveying through this quote, no man is an island. And pursue your dreams. So this is from his famous speech, I Have a Dream speech. He says to pursue each and every of your dreams. And finally, expect to work hard. That means his lesson is, that lesson he tried to say is don't give up. Because civil rights movement suffered many setbacks along the way, but he continued to struggle. So this is why he's from his life we can expect we can expect this lesson, that expect to work hard. So these are the lessons we learn from Martin Luther King Jr. Next, we are going to see about Nelson Mandela. So Nelson Mandela is, like I said earlier, he is linked with Mahatma Gandhi. So Nelson Mandela, much like Mahatma Gandhi, advocated a non-violent path. He considered Gandhi as his source of inspiration. So for this reason, he is also called African Gandhi. Nelson Mandela has also been awarded Bharat Ratna, India's biggest award, in 1990. Now let's see what are the lessons we can learn from his life. The famous quote from Mandela is, "The struggle is my life. I will continue fighting for freedom until the end of my days." So he says, never abandon hope or give up in your life. This is the very important lesson we learn from this quote, from his life. Never abandon hope or give up. Next he says, if you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy, then he becomes your partner. So from this quote, the lesson we learn is, learn the art of compromise. And third one is, violence is not the answer. You know, like Nelson Mandela spent around 27 years in prison, his life in prison. So he didn't choose the violence path, he chose the non-violence path. So the lesson from that is, violence is not the answer. Next one is, it always seems impossible until it is done. This teaches us a lesson, don't be put off by difficulties, try to face it. And next one is, learn how to forgive. He said one time that if there are dreams of a beautiful South Africa, there are also roads that lead to that goal. So two of these roads could be named goodness and forgiveness. So learn how to forgive, he says. And finally, fight discrimination. I detest racialism because I regard it as a barbaric thing, whether it comes from a black man or a white man. So fight discrimination like Gandhi did. So fight discrimination is also a lesson we learned from him. Next, we are going to see about our Mother Teresa. For Mother Teresa, there are many humanitarian in the history of the world. Out of the blue, Mother Teresa stood in that crowd of people. She is a lady of great caliber who spends her whole life serving the poor and needy people. Although she was not an Indian, still she came to India to help its people. For doing the great work of poor and helping needy people, she wants a permanent place. She thought of that, and this place will serve as her headquarters. India will serve as her headquarters and a place where poor and homeless can take shelter. So this is why she chose India, and she helped many ways as possible to help the poor and needy in India. So the lessons we learned from Mother Teresa was, speak as little as possible about yourself. Your Actions should define who you are, not the way you speak. So this is a very important lesson that we learned from Teresa. Second one is keep busy with your own affairs, not those of others. We have many problems with ourselves, so we should just focus on that than interfering in others' affairs. So keep busy with your own affairs, not of those of others. This is important second lesson from Mother Teresa. And third one is always choose the more difficult task. Easy ones can be done easily, of course it is, but the difficult task will take time and more knowledge. So whatever field you are, just always choose the more difficult task. In Mother Teresa's life, she chose to end hunger and poverty in India, but though it's not possible in that time, but she chose that path. That's the most difficult task at that time. So always choose the more difficult task. The fourth one is spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. So just spread love, don't hate. So the lesson from this is don't hate anyone, just spread love. And fifth one is be faithful in small things, because it is in them that your strength lies. So don't expect great things, just be faithful in small things. And build it anyway. So build it anyway in sense what you spend years building may be destroyed overnight, but build it anyway. Okay, just focus and build it anyway. And finally, be the leader. Do not wait for leaders. Okay, do it alone, person to person. And also you can include faith in action. Faith in action is, and love in action is service. So these are the lessons we learned from Mother Teresa. Overall, from Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, what are the human values as a whole we manifested from their works and lives. I just listed all the common values that we learned from these great leaders. First one is love for justice, selflessness, respect for humanity, dignity for all, love and caring behavior, peace loving, benevolence, and composition. These are the lessons we learned from the lives of these great people, great leaders. These are the human values, not only in learning, we should inculcate develop in ourselves and in our life as well. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe so that I can post more videos in future. Bye.